So it is the end of the day on Monday. We managed to finish getting the cabinet over here by the fridge installed. Got the countertop plywood on there, and I've got just a base coat of Bondex quick set for the tile. So I may or may not get that done tomorrow. Meanwhile, we managed to get 3 drawers installed. This is a 24-inch cabinet. Nothing fancy, just ordinary slides. These are the lightest ones. I'm gonna put the heavier ones on the big ones over here. I've got 8 of them, 8 sets. So tomorrow, hopefully, I can work on getting some more of them installed. It's really tedious and a pain because you gotta crawl in through those two guides for the front, or whatever you want to call them. And it's really hard to get in there, especially for me. I'm getting old. Hey everyone, it is Friday. In fact, it is the last Friday of November. Hope all is going well with you. Haven't been filming much this week, but what we did do this week is we got our studio set up. And we also had the blinds installed, which was the last major work that we needed to do here in the studio. We also have been working on the kitchen rather. Got all the drawers installed in the cabinets. I still have to do the upper cabinets. I still got to put fronts on them, and I still have to build the island, but having the kitchen organized has really helped a lot. So I just wanted to mention that from this point forward, we will not be doing a weekly video on a renovation. Yes, we have a few things that need to be done, but not enough to fill a video every week or even every 2 weeks. So probably once a month or so, or every couple months, we'll just be getting updates on what we have accomplished. And hopefully someday we'll be able to give a tour of the house actually finished. We do hope also to do some exploring here. We've already found a place where there might be some caves. And so we'll take you with us on that journey as well. But anyway, we hope that you have enjoyed our little adventure to this point, home on the range. And yeah, we really appreciate your support. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to Passion for Life Gallery. We will talk to you very soon.